The Kärcher SC4 steam cleaner. We have now filled the container with some water. This is the first attachment. This is permanently attached to here. We have put the wheels in this side and that side. You just snap into place. And now you connect the tubings. Oh, so easy. How you find this, Susan? Is it easy?
Let me have another go at this. Oh, I see. It's this way round. Oh, yes, at the moment.
Okay, this is the last bit.
Let me have a go. If I can do it, anyone can. If I can do it, a chimpanzee could do it.
You have to turn this around.
Yeah, there we go.
That's done. No, we have to plug it now. So now this is
Making a noise.
making a noise, means this is heating up. Okay, that is on.
Is that the temperature control that you're looking at?
Yeah, it's heating it up.
Okay.
When that green light goes off, I suppose that means it is ready. So there is also a tap facet mark here that when that goes, the light shows, it means there is not enough water, you have to add water. But at the moment it has enough water, so. And these are the things you will not touch at the moment. So we wait until it goes heated up enough that we can have a steam. This has now heated up, it seems. I suppose it's ready. But let us talk about these other attachments. This attachment is for taps and the tiles and the cleaning of the other things. This one I think is for the walls and probably hobs and other things. Oh, that's interesting.
Dual purpose. I think this is the walls. You put this on when
there are extra attachments if you want. You have to buy them.
And the same with this. This is, again, you use...
Oh, it comes off. Okay. That's the one you showed actually how to attach it. Can you put it back now? Let us see how it is. And then you can wash it when it is dirty, huh?
Yeah, and put it through the tumble dryer to fluff it up. Yeah, and that's what they're for.
Okay. What's it? Okay, when the indicator light turns up permanently, that means that is on. So it was in the... Before this it was flickering. So I suppose this steam is ready to use. Let us use it. Okay, Susan, can you operate it, please?
Oh, here it comes.
Is it really giving the steam?
Yeah, look,
Oh, I see.
It needs to go slowly, I think.
Oh, I can see the steam
Right to
coming
the
out.
end. Okay.
So practically you don't need any more bleach to corrode everything away.
No.
It's like as if you're ironing the floor.
Look how clean it's getting.
Yeah, it's already
Oh,
cleaning it.
these are little attachments to get behind the doors.
Later,
Yeah, later. Okay.
And the more dirt you see on that means the more cleaner it becomes. Let me remove this sticker here. So, what do you think about it?
Let me just get some. There's a little bits of dirt here, and I'm just going to try and get something to get it away. Well, I don't know if we've seen the floor looking so clean.
And you see, the haters have not seen this floor to be so clean.
Later on we'll pull out the cooker and the washing machine and we'll go. And these bits around the door, we use the other attachment for that.
But that can clean also because the side of it has a... Oh, I've never had this so clean. I thought it makes it wet actually. It's not that wet at all.
It's not wet. It's hardly wet at all. Oh, there we go.
And it kills the bacteria and all the harmful things.
Yeah.
Do you give it a thumbs up?
I would, yeah, definitely. I'll just get on now and do the whole floor.
Yeah, so it is not anymore a test drive, you know, just... Oh, you can do the wall! Don't use that on the wall because the door is dirty
We've
now.
got one attachment for the wall, so
Yeah, use the
any
wall for
little
that.
cooking cranny, we'll put the little small attachment in it.
Yeah, you can
No.
clean any surface. Vertical, horizontal,
Yeah.
utensil, cooking.
Yeah, it just melt, what it's done is just melt the glass away. There, that's it. For this part of the floor.
Brilliant.
Yeah, that's smooth from there. And eventually right, here I go. I'll just go behind the door with the thumbs up.
Thank you. Close the door on me.
Thumbs up.
Bye bye.